Hello friends, in today's video, I am going to show you how to enable one-handed mode on any Android phone. So here is an option in your phone settings. Simply you have to enable it. So without wasting the time, let's open your phone settings. And here in settings, we need to find advanced feature. And here is advanced feature option, tap on it. So here we have got one-handed mode option. Let's tap on it. So here the option will be disabled by default. Let's enable it. Now here we also have two options. We can select button option, double tap the home button. And also gesture, sweep down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. So I like to select gesture. Now let's go back to home screen. Now I will simply sweep the home button, and here I have got one-handed phone option on my Android device. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.